All right, so you're like, Chris, what in the world? What kind of deal are we talking about here? Ladies and gentlemen, super excited today. Today is Sonos Day. Now, definitely watch the entire video because I was able to get a killer deal on this. And I chose the white color for the Arc, and I also chose the white color for the subwoofer. I'm waiting on the ERA 300, so I'm gonna get 2 of those. And I'm waiting for Costco to go ahead and sell those bad boys. So without further ado, let's just show you what we got inside here. Now, currently right now, I'm in a full remodel. So this is gonna go in my theater room temporarily. Very, very sweet. Okay, once again, Costco sells the black one or the white one. I chose white because I'm gonna have this beautiful IKEA cabinetry entertainment center. Gonna pair it with my 75-inch frame TV. Comes with a nice cloth all the way around it. Looks super high-end, and hopefully so, because you are paying quite a bit of money for this. And inside here, you have a Sonos Let's Get Started. You have a HDMI cable here, and you have your power plug right here as well. So even though I got the white one, you're getting black cord, so just keep that in mind. If you're super picky, you could always get some other different ones that are white. And then we have this little package here that has a female HDMI to a digital optic little adapter right here. As we can see right there, female to the digital. You do have to remove that little cap before you do insert that if you are going to be using that. And that's going to do it for the box here. Now, just something to keep in mind. I know some of you guys think boxes are an eyesore, but if you, in the future, ever wanted to resell this when the new Arc eventually comes out, this one's been around for a long time, then I definitely recommend saving your product packaging, just shove it in the attic, and if you ever do resell it, as in like eBay or anything like that, super easy to package that up and ship that off as is. Just a little heads up, if you're gonna sell it on Marketplace, they don't really care. They might, but I wouldn't really care. Alrighty. So, let's go ahead and open this guy on up here. And look at, looky Lou. Okay, first impressions, a beautiful looking soundbar. I've seen my buddy's black one, but the white one looks so sharp. I'm kind of on this white kick right now. I bought the Amazon Echo Show 10 in white. And again, this is gonna look absolutely stunning on my all white with some natural wood feature IKEA entertainment center. Okay, so we got some touch buttons up front here. Looks like a very small LED light when it is powered on. Probably has that red LED light. Sonos logo right on the front. Got an LED light down here at the bottom. You got a couple pads on the right and left. It's a pretty heavy device. I'm thinking it probably weighs in at 15 plus pounds. Feels like it. Feels like a good curl that pretty decently. Okay, you got your sync button right here and an Ethernet port right here as well. You got your power input over here on this side. If you're looking at the back of the device, HDMI port is on the left side. Power cable is on the right side if you're looking at the back. You, of course, have your mount threaded inserts here and over here as well if you want to hang that on a mount underneath your TV. But again, I'm just going to be placing it flat on top of my entertainment center. You do have a microphone input right over here on this side, and the ends are capped just like the speaker here. Again, overall, a beautiful device. Okay, now the time has come for the subwoofer. This is the Gen 3. This is the newest one. And while I'm unboxing this, let me talk to you a little bit about the deal that I got pre the deal that's actually going to be happening at Costco. So, if you are not aware of Slick Deals website, slickdeals.com, I highly recommend that you check out that website, especially for Black Friday deals. And there we go right there. So this one came in a box, and take a look at that. Okay, so Slick Deals, they post the cream of the crop, your best deals on the internet, and contributors find these deals, they post them on the front page, and then people share them, etc. So, Costco just had a bundle deal. Now, if you're not looking to bundle, I think that's actually over, by the way, but if you're not looking to bundle, then I would go with the pre-Black Friday deal. Let's get started. Cleaning cloth, white cable on the white subwoofer. So for some reason they have switched that up. Maybe because the Arc is a little bit older. I guarantee you next gen Arc, they will have the appropriated cable for whatever color device that you do choose to buy. And that's also something to keep in mind is I don't know when the next Arc is going to come out. This sub, the Gen 3, just came out not too terribly long ago, so I don't expect them to come out with a new subwoofer anytime soon. if they do upgrade to a newer gen ARC, then hold on to your product packaging. And again, you can always resell that. And let's get the sub out of here. That's a beefy sub. That's, I don't know the weight on that one, but that feels like it's at least 30 pounds-ish. Okay, same thing with the sub. You get this cool little cloth, and you sure should, especially for the price you are paying. But let's go back to what I was talking about, the bundle deal. So the bundle deal, now currently filming this, it is November 1st, 2023, and I think I got this deal like a week ago, and I bundled the ARC and the subwoofer for the same price as the pre-Black Friday deal that Costco is having. So if you're just looking for one item, Costco's pre-Black Friday deal is going to be your better option, but I got the same deal for both if you individually price them out. So I still pay the same thing as the Black Friday deal, but you had to bundle them together to get that discount. And the discount is pretty severe because someone else posted on Slick Deals, a eBay seller that was selling the ARC for a refurbished price, and it was the same price as brand new pre-Black Friday deal, or the same deal that I got. So the reason I chose white, I think it's upside down, no it's not. You got your pads on the bottom there, you got an Ethernet port right here, and you got your power right here on the very, very bottom. Nothing on that side, no logo on the back, so that's going to be the back, and then your logo on the front down here. I really like the black on the white, and that's gloss, absolutely beautiful. And then your power button, your sync button, and then the LED light right there as well. Again, that's a pretty beefy thing. So, absolutely stunning, beautiful. All right, so you're like, Chris, what in the world? What kind of deal are we talking about here? All right, so this is in the Costco Holiday Savings Guide for 2023. The deals have already begun, but the Sonos has not begun quite yet. The Sonos starts November 17th, and you can buy these all individually, where I, again, had to get the bundle deal, but I got the same price as you see right here. So the subwoofer in black or white is going to be $639.99. That's a savings of $160, and you also get 30% off Sonos accessories coupon and a $80 Apple or Sirius XM credit. Now, I was able to get that same deal as well, but again, with that price, you get an $80 Apple or Sirius XM credit. So if you're looking for the newest iPhone, a gift, Apple Music, you guys get the idea. Now, the ARC, we're coming in at $719.99 after a $180 savings. You also get 30% off Sonos accessories coupon and a $60 Apple or Sirius XM credit and $79 wall mount voucher. So if you need a wall mount for the ARC, you get a voucher that's for $79. And limit 3, you can get the white or the black. I believe only on Costco.com they have the whites, and in store they have the black. So just keep that in mind. That's what they say here, additional colors at Costco.com. Don't quote me on that one, but I ordered mine on Costco.com. Obviously you'll have to pay tax, and I think I got free shipping. Don't quote me on that one, or it was like super, super cheap. All right, other deals they're having is the Gen 2 Beam soundbar at $399.99. and the ERA 100 speakers, a 2-pack for $379.99. You also get 30% off Sonos accessories coupon, no Apple on this one. And this one, you get $40 Apple credit or 4-month Pandora Premium subscription and a $19 wall mount voucher and 30% off Sonos accessories coupon. So if you missed the bundle deal that I got my hands on, then you can go your individual prices here. Now I do want to get the upgraded ERA 300 speakers. These are the 100s. Costco doesn't sell the ERA 300s quite yet. A lot of people are hoping they will pretty soon, and I'll definitely be getting my hands on those when they do drop. So again, that starts November 17th. Go on Costco.com and get your individual or combo and your credits, etc. Also, something I just thought of is that if you have your cord visible with the ARC and you purchase the white one and the cord for the subwoofer is not noticeable, then you could switch them because they're both the same exact cord. So if I have a cord coming up my IKEA entertainment center that I don't really want to see, if it really, really bugs you, then switch cords. Okay, forgive my dirty floor. This is the unfinished remodel portion, but I want to jump in here. So those credits, the free mount, etc. There's a little card inside of your little welcome packet for the arc here. And obviously I won't show the code, but it says get a free Sonos arc wall mount. There's a code, as well as the save 30% on selected Sonos accessories. There's another code below my piece of paper. And then this is the information they gave you for the Apple or Sirius XM. It says enjoy credit towards a music video. So hopefully that will give you Apple credit, but it looks like it's towards maybe potentially only Apple Music and Sirius XM, and maybe not credit towards Apple products like money towards a new iPhone, etc. So just keep that in mind. And then same thing with your sub. It's in the welcome packet. Your 30% off selected accessories code is inside, as well as generic instructions how to redeem that streaming music service credit. Okay, and just a little heads up for you here with the adapter. So according to the directions, if your television does not have an ARC port or an eARC port, which is going to be an HDMI port on your television, and you have to use this, it will work, but you won't have Dolby Atmos, as it states right here in the directions right here. So I'm using my provided HDMI cable, and again, totally forgive the remodel. I got sheetrock mud as my entertainment stand, I know. So coming behind my box to my Samsung Frame TV, because it's so thin, it needs a external box that I'm gonna route down through some cable management through the wall so I can hang it like a picture frame, obviously the way it's meant to be. So on the back of mine, if you see it right there, it says number 3 eARC, or yours will have ARC, it might have eARC. So we have Dolby Atmos, we're looking absolutely fantastic. And again, I'm just running that HDMI cable, which came with the Sonos, into the back of it. And by the way, this light was white, and now it is green on the front here. And I don't know, it seems like a diffuser on the very bottom there. And then power plug, etc. in the back.
As I got here, but okay.
Oh, it stinks!
Within the next few weeks, the human species will disappear from the face of the earth.
Nothing we do here matters.
No, that's where you're wrong. I don't believe it.
I'm just watching a trailer, and obviously because it's so thin, the speakers on the Samsung Frame TV aren't that good, but wowzers, even just the ARC and the sub doing 5.0 audio, very, very nice. And I used my phone to set up my account. Just took a few minutes to go ahead and set everything up, pair it, and definitely nice. So looking forward to putting this more dialed in, obviously in a very, just a better looking setting than a derelict living room, but I hope you guys get the idea. By the way, I've never seen any other dog besides the Labradoodles that love to sit in front of the television and watch TV. It's so cute.
I'm not gonna hide.
Hopefully the video has helped you get a great deal on Sonos. With those deals, it's kind of a no-brainer if you're in the market already for it. It's definitely pricey, but Sonos does blow a lot of the other products out of the water. So I'm looking forward to connecting this to my eventually when I remodel my living room. So definitely subscribe for that. Thumbs that video up if you wouldn't mind, and we'll see you on the next video. My name's Chris. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.